and it was a perfect match for neoanelastite.
We just looked at each other and went, wow, there you go. There's a new one for Victoria.
Did we high five? I can't remember. If I'd been astute enough to look at these patches 5 years ago, perhaps, when we could have had a new mineral, we'd call it Cranbourneite, probably.
This is the third occurrence of this mineral anywhere in the world.
Which was first found in northern Sweden on a meteorite in 2021. It subsequently was found at a mine in Tasmania, and there was a little photo of it, just this green patch. And I thought, I think I've seen that sort of thing on the Cranbourne meteorites. So I got curious and found these bits, a bit more testing, and it turned out. I think it took Oskar and I about 20 minutes to confirm it. I found what's called the X-ray diffraction pattern, which is sort of like a two-dimensional fingerprint of the crystal structure of the mineral.
And then to be able to go on and put this stuff in the scanning electron microscope and get those really nice images of the really, really small crystals. We're now at 600 times magnification. You can see that surface is made up of these tiny little lathe-shaped crystals. They're really beautiful texture.
In order to describe this new mineral, we have to go back to the Cranbourne meteorites. This is one of them here. They fell, 13 of them that we know of, in a long line east of Melbourne. It's been around in the soil for thousands of years, and in that time, the groundwaters got into it, reacted with the iron and nickel, and formed these new minerals, which consist of nickel and chlorine. This is some material that was looked at in the 1940s. The early descriptions do mention green crusts, but they didn't have the methods that we have now to fully describe them and name them.
Some of these pieces that we have in the collection were removed from some of the Cranbourne meteorites as they were excavated, and so a story 170 odd years in the making.
It's not really Nobel Prize winning stuff, but it gives us some indication of the sort of processes that can go on in the Earth's surface once something extraterrestrial lands.